Hi there, this is Marissa, and today I have a little walk through this mini junk journal that I have just finished. I took apart, here you can see a field notes notebook, and I took the staples out and I used a few of the original papers and then added in most of my own. And in this journal I just keep little quotes and things that I like and just little scraps that I have, and I really enjoy working in this size of notebook. It's very quick and easy and low pressure. And you can see here I do have this little string tie closure here, which I have, made with a brad here with my string, and then, you can another one here on the front. So I like these because my journals do get too full, so it's nice to have a little something to keep them closed. So I'll have a little walk through here. These sequin pockets I actually put in when I was making the journal. So you can see this plastic here is included. And then there are just little, fun little scrappy pages. Here are little quotes that I like, just little bits and pieces. And then, sometimes I'll tuck a little something in here and there. Again, I try never to take myself too seriously. Here, I think there's a little something, a little quote in here from what I was reading. So the things I'm using in here are just a lot of just leftover craft supplies that I've had. These I actually printed out. They're different graphics from Pixel Scrapper. I've really been trying to use up some of my stash lately, so I haven't bought a lot of new things, but I have been trying to use up old things. This was a plastic bag that I put in and then added in some sequins. Did a little stamping here on this page. I have done some more stamping. Here's an old airmail letter. Yeah, so it's just fun to kind of look back. I don't know if I ever actually, I did put something on these tags here. Sometimes I make stuff and then I come back later and write on it. I'll kind of do the page up. But then of course sometimes I forget to come back, but I did in that case. Flower cutouts like these are one of my go-to embellishments that I've been kind of stocking up on. And then these are printable items that I created for one of my Good Life bundles. Just lots of little bits and pieces. I think this might be a pocket that I never finished up. It is, towards the end it did get kind of chunky enough that so here's a little pocket with some different quotes from a particular book, and this folds out. It's got quite a long quote on it. So, some simple pages like this one, and some less simple pages too, depending. Oh, I love this page with the stamp on this dictionary page and this quote over it. So yeah, this is, there's a page here. So just a little pocket here. Here's the other side of that envelope. I was there earlier with some more little stack of quotes in there. Here's just, I think, another pocket I made that I never ended up using. Here I even put a photo in this plastic bag with a little quote on the back. And then we're coming kind of to the end here. I love this. It's just a little cup I've had for a while. I like doing these. God, it's such a pain to do these stamped quotes, but I do really like seeing them once I do it, so it's a worthwhile way to spend a few minutes, although it does always seem a bit daunting getting started. And I also like to print them out and then snip. I don't have a typewriter. This is just a typewriter font that I use. Yeah, and then these are just some bits and pieces that I just kind of threw in because I knew the book was getting a little full. And here's a vellum paper that didn't print out quite well. And then in here I just have a few little leftover photos that I tucked in here just as a fun surprise, I guess. Looking back, I printed them out for one of my junk journals and then didn't get around to using it. So that is my little junk journal. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you would like to see more, please subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.